does that a couple more times, he can make it.
Yeah.
Knock that
That's
lip
what
off.
he's doing.
Yeah, he's wearing that lip down.
He knows how to drive, don't he?
Yeah, he does know how to drive. Oh, if it had lockers right there,
That's
he'd have made
exactly what I was thinking. You're good.
it. If it had lockers right then, he'd have made it. If you had lockers, you'd make it.
Can you zoom out?
I'm out all the way. He's going for second gear. Holy shit! He's over. He's over. Y'all all right? Glasses are upside down. All right, I'm zoomed out. We're here. Let's take you through the carnage.
Hey, right here.
Hold on, I gotta go up the trail that led to nowhere. Alright, here's the trail. Looks like a normal trail. Then they climbed it in second gear. And guess what?
Hey,
There wasn't no damn bottom.
take that drill, okay.
There was no bottom.
I didn't know you had no bottom.
Straight down.
Woo!
Glad we didn't land in the sinkhole. Alright, time to call a wrecker.
Hey.
I didn't know we was getting into all that. Motherfucker's a little heavier than y'all think it is, ain't it?
You rolling?
Yeah, I'm rolling.
Let it go.
Oh, there's your engine oil. I wouldn't crank that like that if I was you.
You still run the winch.
There's the rescue vehicle.
Man.
Somehow or another, we gotta get this thing out of here.
I mean,
Here it comes. Here comes the cable.
There you go. Come on, throw it. I mean, I think the engine's a bad influence on me.
How's this Angie's fault?
Hey, he said, come on. How's the engine's fault? I was in a car. He said, come on, do no work.
Oh!
You can't do me like that.
Low blow.
Oh, what a lie.
Alright, we gotta turn this off.